I know when I've gotten into some of my worst relationships, I was overriding a lot of my body's signals by saying, all right, maybe I feel uncomfortable, or they said something that was a little off, and this is a little red flag, but they're so cute and I'm so interested and I have the butterflies and we're having these adventures that I was overriding my body's cues from really listening and really observing because I was kind of getting swept away on that emotion. And I think that having these tools to understand, okay, let me really tap into my own intuition so that I stop overriding it and also get more mindful about what types of questions I'm asking rather than just trauma dumping my story and you trauma dumping your story, but get a little bit more into, have you actually worked through this? But you don't quite say that. You kind of ask the questions around that to understand if people even have the skills to be in relationship with you. Are they a good communicator with their family and friends and in conflict? And can they resolve things? Do you respect how they handle the business of their life?
Can get so in our heads when it comes to dating. Does he make enough money? Do his friends like my friends? Do my friends like his friends? Where in the city does he live? Whatever those questions might sound like in one's head. And yet, what actually matters is, how does it feel to be in connection with this person? Does this person make eye contact in a way that feels good to me? When our breath is synced, do we feel connected? Does this person feel like they're really paying attention to me and present for me? And that actually is much more valuable information about whether we want to connect. And that comes in the form of learning how. How do we ask each other thoughtful questions? How do we compliment each other? How do we shine our light back on each other? How do we stay really present for each other? How do we show another being that we were paying attention to them? How do we stop and breathe with them? It utilizes meditation to ground nervous systems so that all that, oh, I'm so anxious. Oh, am I going to get chosen? Am I going to find anybody that thinks I'm cute? All that has a chance to relax on an ongoing basis. And then we pair people off 4 times. And in each pair, there's a prompt. And what's something that you are grateful to have learned from your parents and something you've had to unlearn from your parents? So the prompts are really designed to get past that first layer of shine and sheen and into who you really are as a human.